Menteri Keterat Korbari ke Jela Meghalaya uba lakmen remboi. Hagas ngibalang jang katayo ulakan thok teng e kiken huan kiba sedang ban penempat eko huri hura ha icamati kabala kenja mentala bon benai. Badong bagi jing ujor kiba kenno syale ben ki Bengali ha icamati. Kala bandan jing edai bat ki election jeki yang darbar tauan ke Jela West Bengal kaban long hagas nambanwan. Namar ke jing kwa peni ke jing sngokia na gebenta ki jat bendru Bengali kiba sa ha Meghalaya.
Lakban kedau hang ni ba ko huri hura ha isha mati kala ki imbyang menta da ga jingmi ki jing ujor ba kenno syale ben bat sya thombor ki pai Bengali basa ha kene ke jaka khapu jong ke jella kene ke jing kenno kalami na ka president jong All India Mahila Congress ka Shushmita Dev ka bala pha e ke jing ujor sa ko office umintri rang badu kari bat kumju na ki laingut ki bar jella ke bala aite ke jing ujor ha ulat ke jella Usatya Pal Malik Habayakran bekenong pathai kubor ubala kemen rembui ulapan pau baka jing pin imbyang yakani kamat galak bandon AA shalenden namar kene ka kam kadai kabala kenja Uloong baka jing pin im galak bandon jing yadai bat ke election MLA ha West Bengal kabanlong hagas nem arajar arpawai Uloong baka jing le jong kini kibriu kan nang pensneu ya ke jing long jing man ha ke jela bat kalong kum ke jing pen shit ban mi ke jing kan art na ke jing sngo ya pher jat ben riu.
You see the West Bengal election is going in 2021. So maybe I'm not telling that it linked to that, but since that election general election of West Bengal legislature is to be held in 2021. So maybe it links to that there is a one-upmanship by the different organizations to see that who are protect more for the interest of the Bengali people. But by doing that, they are harming more the interest of the people who are living without fear or who are living in harmony in spite of that last incident which happened 6 months, 7 months back.
Halor ki laingut ki barjala ba ujor cha ulat ke jela umentri ulong ba baro ki don ya ka hok ban pen paw ya ke jing sngo jongki henrei kim dai pat ban persang ban thau ne pen mi ya ke jing kulmar ka ban pen thut ya ka shong suk shong san jong ke jela umentri ulapan shai ba ki jing kenno jongki ni ki breu ki long ki bom shisha satya ban na kalyang ke sarkar jela kan sa shim ya ka sin jam ban te lakam ban ammi ka huri hura Hakabia day but kitching pat tokit jongka National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ya kitching kanno basha le ben kikan thai but khanna ha ishamati umentri ulapantep ba ke Deputy Commissioner jongka East Khasi Hills kala dep pat tokit ya kani kitching kanno but kala dep pat ru ya ka kaipot ban pen I ba kitching kanno kilong ki bom shisha satya Ulapantem banakalyang ka sarkar jala kala dep pa ya ka kaipot sa commission bakan bishar
So the Deputy Commissioner has ordered inquiry, and also from the police, we have ordered an inquiry, and we found that whatever allegation, it is totally baseless. Moreover, that as of now, there is no law and order. No tension, nothing in Ichamati. The people, whether they're tribal or not tribal, they are living peacefully. So, one thing that I request that each and everybody, that we should not take anything as a communal tension, bring a communal color to any statement or bring a communal color to any incident which happen or may happen. So, that is the only thing I request.
Hakabia day but kajing penkre jong ke jela ya kajing pahara kamtam hakajing le enyam Durga Puja nakalyang uba lakmen rumbui ulong baki pat ba ke jela ki buram ya kajing le enyam jong baro kinyam bat ke sarkar kan shimkya ban pentikna ban ammi kano kajing kulmar hakum kani kapor.
You see, the government is very vigilant, and we will try to do more. And what is need to be done to protect the interest of the citizen of the state, that we have to do.